Hi, my name is Alfred Quinsay, the strategic realist. Sa negosyo, may isang malaking katotohanan. Fraud and corruption are not exemptions. They are structural risk. They thrive in opacity o yung hindi nasisilayan ng liwanag. They hide in the gray area of the ledger. We've all seen it, heard it. The fake entries, the millions, even billions siphoned off. Your traditional accounting system is structurally designed to allow this corruption. When you rely on an outdated systems, you empower the corruption predator. Yan. So nakikita nyo dyan, ito yung mga traditional na ledger, no? Debit credit, double system entry. Traditional accounting is based on trust in human oversight. But humans make mistakes. Or worse, they manipulate. So, di ba, ito nga, merong ang dalawang klaseng irregularities, which is fraud and mistake, no? Yung mistake medyo pwede pa, no? Ma-accept pa. Kasi, sabihin na natin it's an honest, no? If not stupid mistake. Pero ang fraud, intentional ito. No? So, pinag-isipan ito. This system allows for 3 fatal flaws. Itong old accounting na tinatawag. Backdating, deletion, and centralized control. The biggest flaw, pwedeng i-edit. If I can change the record after the fact, that record is a lie. And that lie becomes the strategic rot that kills the business from the inside. So maraming mga negosyo na nalugi, na bankrupt because of this. Not because their operations or their sales, they're not thriving in their sales. No, in fact, the opposite is true. No, it's practically yung bang record keeping, yung bang internal control environment is weak. Now, introducing the strategic defense. The ultimate defense against this rot is the unflinching ledger, blockchain accounting. This is the technical implementation of our mantra. Integrity is strategy. The key focus points here are, first, immutability. Once a transaction is validated and recorded on the block, as you can see here in the screen, hindi na pwedeng galawin yan, nakalock na yan, naglalock yan, no? It can never be touched nor changed anymore. And it destroys the predator's primary tool, no? Yung access doon sa records. The next one is transparency. The ledger is distributed and verifiable by all authorized parties. Yan. So, hindi siya centralized kasi. It's decentralized. Eliminating centralized control and the need to trust a single person. So, pagka mayroong single person lang yung nakakahawak, no? Then you can be sure, no? Pwedeng i-override yung system or pwedeng, kumbaga, dayain. Data honesty, that's number 3. Blockchain forces you to operate based on the actual truth of the transaction, kung ano yung nangyari. As we see here, the real world impact, no? Para saan ito? This isn't just about crypto. Kasi pag narinig natin yung blockchain, we're thinking about yung bang crypto, no? Well, that is the misconception. No? It's not just for crypto. It's a strategic governance tool that eliminates systemic flaw. No? Kasi ito yung problema sa Pilipinas, no? Ito yung system natin dito, even sa government, no? Na masyadong may manual pa rin. Malaking portion doon ng manual, no? Bureaucracy and all. And hindi maiiwasan talaga kasi may opportunity eh. Remember dun sa fraud triangle, if there is an opportunity there, kumbaga palay na yung lumalapit sa manok, eh tutukain mo na, no? So, imagine applying this to government contracts, no? Auditing every single peso used for public work in real time. So, hindi na sila makakapag-invento yung mga ghost projects dahil coordinated na yung system nila. It's integrated. Walang lihim, no secrets, no? Second, supply chain. Eliminating procurement, yung mga fraud and kickbacks by making every payment and delivery immutable. So, hindi na mababago. And third, your business. Pwede rin sa private ito. Future-proofing against internal schemes before they become massive problems like the flood ghost projects or the 200 million scandals we often see in corporate fraud. The strategic realist recognizes that you cannot innovate while your organization is being eaten alive by fraud. Blockchain is the necessary structural integrity needed for survival. Kailangan natin ito para mabuhay. We need this, no? To survive and to thrive. Now, the call to action here is that now that we've established the right cost structure and the necessary governance, we need the playbook for turbulence. Next week, we provide the actionable framework, how to pivot in a VUCA world. VUCA stands for volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous environment. The Strategic Realist Force Step Playbook. Subscribe now to the Business Pivot. See you in the next one.